Welcome to Hello Kids channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Are you ready? Listen and repeat. Clothes vocabulary. Hat, hat. Scarf, scarf. Shirt, shirt. T-shirt, t-shirt. Sweater, sweater. Jacket, jacket. Dress, dress. Coat, coat. Skirt, skirt. Jeans, jeans. Trousers, trousers. Shorts, shorts. Boots, boots. Shoes, shoes. Trainers, trainers. Socks, socks. Let's practice. What's this? Shoes, coat, scarf. It's a coat. What's this? T-shirt, shirt. Hat. It's a hat. What are these? Trousers, jeans, shorts. They're trousers. What are these? Shoes, socks, boots. They're shoes. What's this? Skirt, dress, shorts. It's a dress. What are these? Trainers, shoes, socks. They're socks. What's this? Shirt, jeans, scarf. It's a shirt. What are these? Jeans, boots, dress. They're boots. What are these? Shirt, trainers, dress. They're trainers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See you.